Hey guys, I'm at the Wright Road level crossing in Emerald Lake, Victoria. This is a yet to be finished 2-gate crossing on the Gembrook end of the Puffing Billy line. Obviously this crossing is not completed yet, it's in the process of being upgraded. However, the signals are obviously installed here without lights and booms. So this first signal has an unmarked base, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, a white with black writing stopper and signal sign, 4 Westinghouse Crossarms. One of these is one of the older silver ones. This will be for the healthy state indicators. Currently a giveaway sign, a red background crossbuck and a pole cap. The giveaway sign and the look for trains will be taken off. The giveaway sign will go and this will be replaced with a most likely a white with black writing stopper and signal sign. What will be a gateless signal has an unmarked base, a Westinghouse Crossarm and a red background crossbuck with a pole cap, and at the moment the giveaway sign. And on this side of the crossing we have an unmarked base, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, a look for train sign, a giveaway sign, 2 Westinghouse Crossarms, a red background crossbuck and a Westinghouse Mechanical Bell. Hey guys, I'm at the Wright Road level crossing in Lakeside, Victoria. This is a crossing that was upgraded on the Puffing Billy line with gates just over a week ago on the 20th of February 2025, and today is the 1st of March. This first signal over here has a unmarked base, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, a white with black writing stopper and signal sign, 6 Westinghouse new style LEDs on 3 Westinghouse Crossarms. These light extensions, 3 of them, a silver crossarm for the healthy state indicators, 2 of those, a red background crossbuck, a pole cap, flat gate and 3 Westinghouse Gate Lights. This gateless signal here has a unmarked base, a white with black writing stopper and signal sign, 2 Westinghouse new style LEDs on a Westinghouse crossarm, a red background crossbuck and a pole cap. And this signal over here has a unmarked space, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, a white with black writing stop red signal sign, 4 Westinghouse new style LEDs on 2 Westinghouse Crossarms with the extensions, a red background crossbuck, and a single base Westinghouse Mechanical Bell with a flight gate and 3 Westinghouse Gate Lights. And a very funky setup on the crossbuck here as well, with this random whatever this is.
Through Emerald at 12:46, 12:46, over. There you are, Emerald 12:46, depart Emerald 1246. Thanks very much, over. That's correct, now 16 out.